Welcome to this guided morning affirmation session, where we'll focus on resetting your mind and spirit for a day filled with inner peace and tranquility. Inner peace is not something we find outside ourselves, but rather a state of being we cultivate from within, no matter what circumstances surround us. By starting your day with intention and peaceful affirmations, you set the tone for how you'll navigate everything that comes your way. This practice allows you to release the anxiety of yesterday, let go of worry about tomorrow, and anchor yourself firmly in the present moment. When we consciously choose peace each morning, we train our minds to default to calmness rather than chaos, to respond rather than react. Peace isn't the absence of challenges, but the presence of calm in the midst of them, and that calm begins with how we speak to ourselves. In this session, I'll be guiding you through a series of peaceful affirmations designed to help you connect with the stillness that exists at your core, no matter how busy your external world may be. Find a comfortable space where you can sit or lie down, somewhere you feel safe and relaxed. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it gently for a moment, and as you exhale through your mouth, let go of any tension, stress, or heaviness you may be carrying. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, releasing thoughts of your to-do list, your responsibilities, and anything that pulls your attention away from right now. Let's open our hearts and minds to this practice of morning peace, allowing ourselves to fully embrace the gift of a new day and the opportunity to begin again. These affirmations are a reminder of the deep well of peace that resides within you, always accessible, always available, waiting for you to return home to yourself. Let's begin our journey to a more peaceful and centered morning, and a day filled with grace and calm. I am grateful for this new day and the fresh start it brings. I choose peace over worry in every moment today. My mind is calm, clear, and centered. I release all anxiety and embrace the present moment. Peace flows through me with every breath I take. I am safe, I am grounded, and I am at peace. I let go of what I cannot control and trust in the flow of life. My heart is open to the beauty and stillness of this moment. I am worthy of peace, rest, and gentleness. I trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. I am surrounded by calm energy and positive vibrations. I release all tension from my body and mind. My thoughts are peaceful and my spirit is light. I approach today with patience and grace. I am in harmony with the rhythm of life. I breathe in peace and breathe out stress. I am centered in my truth and rooted in calmness. Today, I choose to respond with love rather than react with fear. I am creating a peaceful life, one moment at a time. My inner peace is stronger than any external chaos. I am patient with myself and others today. I welcome serenity into every area of my life. I am present, aware, and fully alive in this moment. I trust my inner wisdom to guide me through today. I am at peace with my past and excited for my future. I radiate calm and tranquility to everyone I meet. I am gentle with my thoughts and kind to my spirit. Peace is my natural state of being. I release the need to rush and embrace the gift of now. I am balanced, steady, and deeply connected to my inner calm. Take a moment to breathe deeply and allow these affirmations to settle into your heart and mind. You've just invested these precious minutes in yourself, in your peace, and in setting a foundation of calm that will support you throughout your entire day. This morning reset is a gift you've given yourself, and the effects of this practice will ripple out into every interaction, every decision, and every moment you experience today. As you move through your day, remember that you can always return to this feeling of peace, taking a conscious breath, pausing for a moment, and reconnecting with the stillness within. You have the power to choose peace over chaos, calm over anxiety, and presence over distraction, and that power is always available to you. Your mind is capable of incredible tranquility, your heart knows how to rest even in motion, and your spirit is naturally aligned with peace when you allow it to be. Each morning is a new opportunity to reset, to release what doesn't serve you, and to recommit to the peace that is your birthright. Continue to practice these affirmations, return to them whenever you need grounding, and watch as your baseline state gradually shifts toward lasting inner peace. Remember, peace is not something you achieve once and keep forever, but rather a practice you return to again and again, each time deepening your connection to your truest self. Thank you for joining me in this practice of morning peace and intentional reset. If you enjoyed our time together, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more empowering affirmation sessions. May you continue to walk through today with grace, carry calmness in your heart, and spread tranquility wherever you go. Take one more deep breath in, feeling your body fully relaxed and your mind beautifully clear. And as you exhale, gently return to your day, carrying this peaceful energy with you.